So I'll show you an exercise. You can do it. मैं समझ लूंगा कि आपको थेस्पो क्या है, समझ गया है. Okay? Please खड़े हो जाओ. Okay? It's a very simple exercise. So we have to do 1, 2, 3 with the right hand. Okay? Let's do it together. 1, 2, 3. Thespo is like my chutney to my samosa. Thespo is like my dal to my rice. Thespo is poha. Thespo is sharapoha.
No, what is it? Let's look into the Masha and let's know what Thespo really is.
Okay.
Which he will eventually tell you about, but I have to warn you, he talks a lot.
I'm 24. I have 2 more years to do this.
Moving on. Yes. Thespo was a festival started when a bunch of theatre buddhas met a bunch of theatre bachchas like us in the year 1999. With every year, Thespo has grown to become bigger and better. From a one-day theatre festival, it has now become a year-long theatre activity. We have mentorship training programs, international workshops. In fact, last year, we had about 125 full-length play registrations from 14 cities.
Yes. So now you have seen the video. You have heard what she said. So now you have a little idea about what Thespo is. Yes? Okay, great. Let us test you. So I'll show you an exercise. You can do it. मैं समझ लूँगा कि आपको Thespo क्या है, समझ गया है. Okay? Please खड़े हो जाओ. Okay? It's a very simple exercise. So we have to do 1, 2, 3 with the right hand. Okay? Let's do it together. 1, 2, 3. Continuously. 1, 2, 3. Okay, great. And we have to do 1 and 2 with the left hand. 1, 2. Easy? Okay, now we have to do it together. So 1, 2, 3. Do it. You can't do it. I can do it. Come on. Okay, great. Please sit down. So, Thespo 9. And for the first time, Thespo orientation meeting was happening in Pune. So the orientation took place in English, and they said 3 lines in Hindi. And most of us studied in Marathi medium, we did not understand anything. So we were convinced that this is an English play competition and we have to do an English play. पर हम सोच रहे थे यार इंग्लिश में कैसे करेंगे, तो हमने कुछ भी करके मतलब इंग्लिश में कर दिया. So we translated a Marathi play into English. तो स्क्रीनिंग होने के बाद पैनलिस्ट ने हमसे पूछा कि पहला सवाल उन्होंने हमसे ये पूछा कि why did you do this play in English and not in Marathi? And we were blankly looking at each other. Of course उस साल हमारा प्ले फाइनल में सिलेक्ट नहीं हुआ, लेकिन नेक्स्ट ईयर वी डिड अ मराठी प्ले कॉल्ड दरण और वो Thespo 10 जीत गया. डोंट क्लैप. उसके बाद हमने जो प्ले किया था गेली 21 वर्ष नाम था, वो मराठी और हिंदी में था. एंड इन लास्ट 6 years 5 times Marathi plays have won Thespo. Now you can clap. Language is not a barrier. There have been plays in Kannada, Bengali, Marwadi, Gujarati, English, Marathi and Hindi of course.
Of course. Last year during Thespo 15, Amigo Productions ने एक दी अपनी थियोरी समझाने की कोशिश कर रहा था. ओके, सो लेट्स वेलकम DEQ.
यही नहीं जानता कि वो चीज क्या है.
तुम उस चीज को नाम भी देना चाहते हो?
हम इंसानों को क्यों नाम देते हैं? एक आइडेंटिटी के लिए. मैं जानता हूँ उस चीज की आइडेंटिटी है, पर मैं यही नहीं जानता कि वो चीज क्या है.
वो चीज कहाँ है?
मेरी इमेजिनेशन के पिटारे में.
ओके, तो बोलो बेटा.
एक मिनट. अगला कमरे की जरूरत. सॉरी, मेरी इमेजिनेशन थोड़ी ओवर एक्साइटेड. सुबह से शुरू करते हैं. गाइस, सभी सब. कल रात 2 बजे मैंने डिसाइड किया कि सुबह 5 बजे उठकर मुझे मेरी थ्योरी पर काम करना शुरू करना है, इसीलिए मैंने 5 बजे का अलार्म भी लगाया।
ओके, टिक 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 टिक।
आमतौर पर इंसान को चाहिए 8 घंटे की नींद, बट मुझे मिली सिर्फ 3 घंटे की नींद। इसीलिए जब मैं 5 बजे उठा तो मुझे महसूस हुआ कि मैं सिर्फ आधा घंटा सोया हूँ, फिर भले ही मैं 3 घंटा क्यों ना सोया हूँ। ये है मेरी थ्योरी।
Albert, can you please elaborate?
ओके फाइन। लाइब्रेरी शाम के 5 बजे। कल शाम 5 बजे मैं किंगस्टन लाइब्रेरी गया। मेरा सब चुपचाप पढ़ाई कर रहे थे। पिन ड्रॉप साइलेंस। एक सुई के गिरने से इन्हें इतना फर्क क्यों पड़ा? तो फिर मैंने सोचा क्यों ना इसी एक्सपेरिमेंट को थोड़ा और इलाबोरेट किया जाए। गेट आउट! भले इस एक्सपेरिमेंट का नतीजा कुछ और ही निकला।
क्या?
अब मुझे किंगस्टन लाइब्रेरी जाना अलाउड नहीं है। बट दैट इज नॉट द पॉइंट। द पॉइंट इज अगर यही चीज मैंने एक मार्केट में की होती तो उसका परिणाम कुछ और होता।
This is amazing. I remember Thespo, I'm going to sit and do this. It's too intimidating, so many people. I've never performed on this stage. And this is the first time I get up to be and talk about Thespo. That itself is very special. So Thespo was 15 people in a basement in Delhi, where we had to literally go and beg them, please aa jao. We're like, what is Thespo? We're like, oh, this is a festival, it's for young people, and you'll get money. Okay, really? Yeah, you get some 15,000 bucks to a play, and 15,000 bucks in college was like, wow, a lot of money. And then the opportunity to travel to Bangalore or Bombay, which was amazing. So Gargi, I don't know if you guys are aware of Delhi University. It's an all-girls college. So, putting up a play itself is like a problem because, what do you do with all the male parts? So either you cross-dress and pretend to be, like somebody's lover, which is really strange because Romeo and Juliet, it doesn't work like that. So that was like a huge issue, and then we came up with this idea to do a play called Under Wraps, and that was the year Thespo, fortunately for us, decided to come to Delhi. And I remember Q and Arya and Yuki had come, and it was, we thought these guys are really cool, and they came and they spoke to us, and they told us, there's this festival, and you can be a part of it, and we had an orientation, like I said, in a basement in Delhi. And a lot of Delhi colleges applied. We had, I don't remember how many, but we were selected. And we thought that was just, it was like with that good, okay. And then we thought some of the boys were really cute. I won't tell you who all. But so the volunteering part is, the cute volunteers is an added thing, especially if you come from a girls' college, right? You know what I mean? We're talking. I'll give you some notes. And the Bangalore boys, okay, it's true. So anyway, somebody was asking me, so how do you, a lot of people ask me nowadays, tell us about your journey as an actor, and is theatre important, and is it like your stepping stone into movies or something? And I'm like, I don't know. Everybody has their own journey. You don't have to be like, go through theatre to become a film actor, and that should not be like the end result. I think what is important, what theatre gave to me, what Thespo gave to me in that sense was just great experiences. The fact that, when you're in college, when you're sort of figuring out what you want to do in life, it just puts together a lot of interesting people who have similar interests, and it allows you to just explore yourself creatively. Whether it's writing, whether it's music, whether it's theatre, it could be anything. And I think that confidence that you get at that point, and that kind of, mentoring that you get from people around you, I think that's just unbelievable. And there are people, that I've stayed in touch with from my Thespo days. And in fact, my reason to sort of volunteer with Thespo post Under Wraps was also because I just thought they were really cool, fun people to work with, and I wanted to take Thespo forward. And it's amazing how this festival is grown. Suddenly this place is completely packed, and I'm like, wow, that's just amazing. And everybody who's been working, it's been 15 years. That's just amazing. everyone's 25. You know, would Thespo be too old for Thespo? I don't know. So yeah, I'm just, I think you guys should just go ahead, sign up for it, do your plays. These guys are always there, you know, to talk to sort of, you know, bounce off your ideas, help out in any which way. I got a lot of help and I was trying to direct. I mean, now, yesterday I met Q for coffee and I just realized it's a part of my life I've completely like not been in touch with, and it was fun directing. You know, it was fun directing. So maybe I don't know, like maybe I'd like to do a play sometime soon or not. Maybe come back here. But yeah, you guys should go ahead and do this. It's great fun, and you'll meet a lot of cute volunteers. And yeah, just enjoy the journey. I think it's just about exploring yourself, and nothing better than just to do this. It's been a very important part of my life. I hope that some of you guys can also feel the same way. So yeah, thank you.
Thank you so much. Thespo is a festival for everyone who's 25 or under 25, but
I mean, what I find great about Thespo is, at Thespo you feel कि हाँ यार कि तुम लाइफ में कुछ अच्छा कर रहे हो. And there are some people, there are really some people who really care for what you do and what you feel. Satvika, please play the
motto of this game is to read out all the important dates and
जब पी रहे तब शूट मत कर, जब ऊपर कर रहे हो ना, घुमा मत कर.
Tell me all the
Number?